Hi, welcome to my channel. I am PixelPia. If you have followed along, we have done a long series about RedBubble. But now it's time to start looking at other print-on-demand platforms. And the first one I found really intrigued me, and that is Zazzle.com. It has a lot in common with many other print-on-demand platforms like RedBubble. So today we're going to look at what is similar and why I was so intrigued with Zazzle. So let's start by looking at similarity. Both are free to set up a store on, and you can use your own art. Both take care of all the customer service, the printing, the delivery, the payment, all of that. Both have a lot of different products, even though I think Zazzle actually has a little bit more and some different products that can be interesting. And on both platforms, you can set your own margins, how much you want to earn. But what is different with Zazzle? Well, as I said, Zazzle looks like they have more products, and we're going to take a look at some of the more original products right now. Here we are on new arrivals at Zazzle, and let's take a look at some of them. For example, cornhole boards and bags. Another thing that's new is this topple tower. Another thing that's not new, but that's a little different, is, for example, sandals here, or as I call them, flip-flops. And why not a pickleball racket? But of course, they have all the regular things as well. And if we look quickly here at view all, we have home sports and games, pillows, blankets, aprons, and so forth, clothing and accessories, bandanas, keychains, women's and men's and kids' clothing, invitations and stationaries, arts, crafts, and party supply, another different category. Office and school, electronics, and I know one of the new things are their wireless charger, baby and kids, baby bibs, pacifiers, and so forth. And weddings is a very big area for Zazzle. Another big difference for me is that you can have several different stores under one account. That means that if I want to specialize my store, make one store specifically for t-shirts or another store specifically for cards and invitations and stickers, I can have different stores under one account. And now to the two things that really interest me. The first one is that your customer has an option for customizing or personalizing the art you have made. It took me a little while to figure out how to do this. And of course, I will in this series make videos where I show you exactly how it can be done. But for now, let's look at one of the t-shirts I have created that is meant to be personalized by the customer. So here we have a t-shirt for a graduate. Let's see if we can zoom in a little bit. As you see, I put proud mom, two different photos, graduate and graduate's name, school, and class of year on it. But as you see here, I logged out, so now I am as any customer, and you have personalized here. Here I have set it up so name, that's the graduate's name. I can put Anna Smith here, mom, but maybe it's not from, maybe you're not the mom, maybe you're her sister. And then we put University of Florida, class of 2023. And then I also said, so you have to change this picture. So they click their change. Now I don't have any image to upload, but they will open and you can upload your image from your computer or even from your phone. They can put two pictures of their own. And as you see here, I can edit using design tool. That means that I can go in and change the colors here. Maybe I want that in blue. I can only change the fields that I have decided that they could change. And this is, they can preview it and see how it looks. And when they are done, they click done. And as you can see here, it changed the colors. And of course, you can change this to proud and happy, maybe. This is how you can create t-shirts, cards, all of the products you have to offer with the possibility to personalize the item. And that is something that I really, really like. Zazzle have just introduced digital download, or as they call it, instant download. It is so far just for cards, I think. And I have just started to see how it works. What that means is that you can create congratulation card or a card for birthday or a Christmas card, and you can arrange it so people can personalize and then download a digital copy. This is something I'm going to investigate more. And another thing that I most certainly will make videos about in this series. In my next video, I'm going to show you how you can set up your account and how to create your very first store on Zazzle. So if you are interested in follow along as we learn to use Zazzle together, I suggest that you subscribe and hit the little bell with all notifications. I hope to see you back here soon. Bye.